Car needs an oil cooler. Bigger brakes. Ooh. Interesting feeling through the foxhole compression with the extended wheelbase. I wonder if we can like put it slightly sideways through, I don't know, forest. Off we go! Woohoo! I would say this is definitely the moment where I'm sad I'm not taking any passengers anymore. Because imagine this. But that would be laugh, yeah. I also surprised how they do not allow pickup trucks. Bikes I kind of understand, but pickup trucks is not okay, but these dimensions are okay. Because you've done already like 4 laps, right? Yeah. Tell me more about it. What is it and why is it?
It's terrible.
Well, yeah, really? Oh,
yeah,
thanks.
It's terrible.
I'm happy to hear that.
It's a limo. It was sort of, it's not mine, it's sort of ours. It was just sort of thought it was a laugh.
Yeah.
And it was just a...
Yeah, it was in the pub. We had a discussion about it for years. One day we're going to get a limo and all go to the Nürburgring.
Yeah.
And then one day it just happened, didn't it?
2 years later, it's back.
No, it happened.
It's just something to pile us all in.
Epic. So how many seats do you have on the inside? All of them?
8, yeah.
Ah, okay. So it's just double row. It's not like a full. You can sit there and film different kind of movies. Yeah. So it's like what, Lincoln or something, or what use it to be? Or
Ford.
A what? Ford?
Yeah.
Oh, really? But some special one. What's the badge doing? What's that? Like it's.
The Coleman.
Yeah, Coleman Mills. They're the people that make them.
All right. Nice.
Based off a Falcon, isn't it?
Yeah.
Falcon.
Yeah. Very nice that it has like very, very big brakes.
EBC pads.
Oh, nice. Which color?
Green.
Okay. And tires are Michelin. Pilot Sports. Nice. Extra grip. Yeah, should be fun. Very grip. For the rest, it's automatic.
Yeah.
Actually, well, I mean, is it a UK spec? I mean, obviously it's right-hand drive, but Australian. Ah, that makes sense with the whole Falcon story. That we have automatic transmission, no pedals, unfortunately. We can do the cruise control settings and the volume settings. Can we see what's underneath?
Yeah, good.
That would be actually like, where do I pull? Here we go. So, it's like a LS swap, at least. Almost. Oh, dude. Oh, it's straight 6 out of Compton?
Yeah, 4 litre inside,
Nice.
straight 6.
How many liters?
4 litre.
4 liters straight? What?
Engine, yeah.
Dude! That's not bad, actually. Why is here like a hole, but not a hole? Ah, okay, it's like for some alternative connectors. Single mold that you can do.
Universal for Ford.
Yeah.
At the time.
What's that?
Big 15-inch woofer in the boot.
Oh, nice. Alright. Can blast some tunes.
Window to the wall the whole way around.
Beware of the fan, especially if it's a stalking one. Some
Yeah,
fans
yeah,
can be
exactly.
very... Nice, so what's the power?
I don't actually know that.
400. 230?
Yeah, 550 horsepower per liter, not too bad.
2 turbos. Big.
Oh yeah, okay.
Big.
You could.
Yes.
You could actually.
You can do it for us.
Yeah, of course, I can. When customers paying, we can do anything. Is that fire suppression? No, it's aircon. Okay.
Aircon.
Sorry, I'm spending too much time with race cars.
Race cars.
Yeah.
This is a race car.
It is.
Yeah.
I believe. Yeah, actually. And before, when you get yourself to the racetrack in style. No, he has all seasons.
Oh.
So you're grippier.
Oh, these are better.
Yeah. And I wonder if this one can do a full lap without overheating.
I've done it earlier.
Yeah, okay. With extra weight. All right, one request, lads.
Yep.
No loose objects in the car.
Yep.
And then look at the amplifier. Oh. Or.
We've got to have a go.
Yeah.
We've got to have a go at the woofer.
Yeah. Show me the woofer. Nice. And flip flops. Are those like boomerang ones from Australia? And before we get demonetized, enjoy the lap. Alright, let's see people's reaction. Obviously I have a hat, because I'm a proper limo driver now. It's just too bad I don't have a passenger. First of all, check this out. The best air freshener I've seen the whole years. Need to have my limo driver gloves, of course, for all the reasons. We have some fast cars behind us, some fast cars ahead of us. Alright, 3, 2, 1, off we go. Kick down. Is there anything gonna happen? Eco mode is off, but oh, fast M3. Alright, so we at least done 110 kilometers per hour before the bridge. How much will we do before the compression? We'll do 140, 150, something like that. On the road again. So it is rear-wheel drive. It should be interesting. The brakes are actually existing, so I'm happy about that. Alright, off we go. Curb. I need a kick down. So I don't know if I should work with some. Oh, there's a lot of people there at T13. I need to. Come on! Drop a gear! Drop a gear! Stay on the outside for all the traffic. Alright, we dropped the gear. Off we go. Chop chop. Come on. So the thing is, I gotta really watch out with traffic next to us. This car. Alright. I wonder if this is like the fastest limo of the Nürburgring. Alright, we have a first overtake. A little baby Miata. Unfortunately, we cannot do any curb action. Come on. Come on, come on, we can do it. Woo! Oh yeah, all the style and comfort. Okay, we have 1 and 4 behind us. We'll stay on the right so they can pass us. Can even take the curb. Off we go. I wonder if people are just like afraid to overtake, or they taking a moment to take a picture to be like, what the hell is on the track right now? Yeah. You know, honestly, at this point, I'm really happy about the handling. I expected worse, but the car is like super stable because of a massive long wheelbase. Another M3 or 4 fast behind us. Yeah. Was that Camaro or something? Judging by the headlights. Oh, it's the Camaro that I drove. Oh, are we hitting speed limiter? Come on. Come on, turn. Yes. Woo! Alright, not too bad actually. Okay, the temperatures are rising slightly, but we're still within reach, so I guess maybe like the uphill sections we will take it a bit easier. Car needs an oil cooler, bigger brakes. Ooh, interesting feeling through the Foxhole compression with the extended wheelbase. I wonder if we can like put it slightly sideways through, I don't know, forced. Unintentional. Oh, there's another. Is that a Volvo Amazon? That looks freaking epic. Come on, drop a gear. Woo! Good. Yeah, it's an Amazon. Epic. Super epic. No cars next to us. We can take Metzgersfeld. Oh, they cut the grass here, I think. Oh no, it's a yellow flag. How sad. So I guess now we cannot break the Nürburgring lap record for fastest limo. But I think as of today, it's still the fastest limo of the Nürburgring. So impressions. Genuinely, super freaking impressed. Like, I expected it to be bad, but it's actually great. It's super stable. The front end is actually very reactive. Before this, I drove the C7 Corvette. That was far worse. Far worse. Like, it was horrible. But this is actually very good. Again, as mentioned, I'm surprised by the handling. Just need slightly bigger brakes and a bit more cooperative engine. That would be lovely. But as of now, again, spicy, exciting. I'm looking forward to do the carousel. First, we need to pass this yellow zone. As this is yellow zone, shameless shout out. Check out the link in the video description. Nürburgring, my website where you can buy Nürburgring licensed products, all kinds of merch, posters, socks, clothing, so books that I have helped to co-write, and yeah, and off we go again. La, 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 la. Do, 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 do. That should be actually like a song for some diesel powered car. Okay, brakes start to give up slightly. Not too bad, but done. Is that a Corsa ahead of us? Flat, come on, don't kick down and go. Oh, he's making some noise. I love that Corsa. Like, not that particular one, I haven't driven that particular one, but in general, the Corsa is very nice and lightweight chassis, the older ones. So, yeah, very, very cool. Should have braked a bit early, because I had a little goosebump moment. Oh no, he's moving away! And there's another, what is that, Polo? I think so. GT3 RS. Oh, that's the one I drove last year. That was super cool. Clash of the Titans. Alright, we are flat out. The oil temperature is still okay, actually, so that's nice. You know, funny, actually, I look at speedometer, it feels slow, but we are actually like 150 kilometers per hour, 90 miles per hour. We could go back to the future, because we've hit 88. Now not anymore, because the speed is dropping automatically. Some fast traffic through Mud Curve. Come on, pass, and off we go, chop. Alright, faster GTI behind, so true. But yeah, I'm super surprised because it feels slow, but it's not really for the car. This means that the ride height quality is phenomenal. It's fantastic. Alright, so we're approaching the carousel. Some faster traffic behind us that will let through, because I really want to be on the inside. So, okay, so fast M2, go. Fast E36. Sorry, there's too much traffic anyway, so. Off we go! Woohoo! Come on! Sorry, E36. Sorry. Alright. Double overtake in the carousel. That was actually quite epic. I don't think any limo has ever done it on a Nürburgring. Woo! I'm doing the Vipperman challenge 100%. I don't know about this GT4 behind me. You can go now. You can go. One more car behind us. Let's take the curb. Spending more time looking in the rearview mirror than ahead. Golf, pass, no. Okay, go on, now you can go. I would love to have like 100 more horsepower on this car, because that would be really damn fun. And now I'm kind of happy that I didn't take passengers, because that would definitely benefit the performance of this beast. On the other hand, it would have been definitely more fun, but even now it is quite fun. Oh, I have an M2. Oh. Come on. Coming through. Thank you. Alrighty. Approaching the end of the line, and temperatures are still good. And we didn't use much fuel either, even though we switched off the eco mode that is by definition on this car. Alrighty. So this is one of the cars that we'll definitely take through the car park for a parade lap, just to see people's reactions. But in general, that was epic. That was really cool. As mentioned, ride quality and handling are fantastic for this car. The only thing I was missing, I would like for track performance, I would love like 100 horsepower more or something, and slightly better brakes. But already now it was like impressive, very impressive. Very happy with the car's performance. So there you have it, the fastest limo of the Nürburgring of that day. Maybe year, maybe decade. Can we make the turning radius? Oh, I can park here, mate.
Hey, Misha.
Bonjour, monsieur.
My Uber is
Yeah. I loved it. So what I want to say, not only the fastest limo, but also one of the coolest cars of the day. Ja, ja, schnell. Oh, 296. That's a car, like a supercar I would actually buy right now. After driving one this year, I was really blown away by it. I should not say that, because in case I actually want to buy one, we need to keep the prices low. And they're actually at their lowest right now.